Hello students, welcome once again in online session of classroom. In our last lecture, I have told you how to write a advertisement for situation vacant column. Today, I am going to tell you how the advertisement is written in situation wanted column. Now, what is situation wanted? I am going to tell you. In situation wanted column, advertisement is written by the person who is seeking for a job. So in this column, the physical features as well as educational features of that particular person are mentioned. Now there is a question. See, an MBA boy is seeking for a job. Write an advertisement for situation wanted column of newspaper. So how the advertisement will be written? See, first of all, on the top you will have to write situation wanted. Now the advertisement will be written like this: a young, handsome, dynamic, 6 foot 2 inch, 27 years old, 27 years gold medalist boy is seeking for a good job. Now, some extra qualification: he is fluent in English, good communicative skill with 2 years experience. He is fluent in English, having good communicative skill with 2 years experience. Now, what does he demand? He demands salary plus boarding and lodging facility. Now contact Mr. Akash Sharma, Nayapura, Kota. Contact number 9876543210. In the same way, all the advertisement related to situation wanted column will be written. You will have to mention physical features along with his educational qualification that he has, along with experience, communicative skill, and his fluency in English if the job is required. If the job requires, you can mention fluency in English. Now I am going to give you some question. See the question and you will have to write advertisement according to them. Will click the photo and will have to send it to me. See the first question. You are MBBS seeking for a job. Write an advertisement for it. Now the second question. Second question, write an advertisement in situation wanted column on behalf of an MA English B.Ed first class boy with 5 years teaching experience and fluency in English. So write this advertisement in your notebook, click the photo and send it to me. Okay, thank you.